Hello guys, let's start today's MCQs. First question is, as per World Inequality Report 2022 with respect to India, which of the following are correct? So recently World Inequality Report was released by Paris World Inequality Lab Association. So in that aspect, option A, 15% richest hold 5% of national income. Option B, 10% richest hold 57% of national income. Option C, 1% richest hold 57% of national income. And option D, 2% richest hold 5% of national income. So here, in the aspect of India, which of the following are correct? The correct answer is option A. 15% of richest hold, here it is option B, that is 10% of the richest hold 57% of national income. So option B is a correct answer. So this shows the inequality level in India. The richest is becoming more rich and the poor people are becoming more poor. This is you can write this data in mains question answer writing. So now the second question is, inequality index was released by option A, World Bank, option B, United Nations Organization, option C, US based World Inequality Lab, and option D, Paris based World Inequality Lab. The correct answer is option D, Paris based World Inequality Lab. Yes, World Inequality Index was released by Paris based World Inequality Lab. Now third question is, which region is the most unequal region as per World Inequality Report? Option A, African region, option B, Europe, option C, Asian region, and option D, Middle East. It is option D, Middle East. Middle East people are more unequal than any other region in the world. This is the most unequal region as per World Inequality Report 2022. Option D is the correct answer. Fourth question is, as per World Inequality Report 2022, which region has lowest inequality level? Lowest inequality level means almost every people are given equal opportunities in both of, and might gain economic as well as social justice. So here option A, Europe, option B, Eastern region, option C, African region, and option D, South Asia. The correct answer is Europe. Europe has the lowest inequality index. That means the problems are very less and inequalities are very less compared to other regions in the world as per World Inequality Report. Now fifth question is, which scheme provides cooking gas to rural region? Option A, Ujjwala scheme, option B, PM Kisan Yojana, option C, Saubhagya scheme, option D, Atmanirbhar Bharat. So the correct answer is option A, Ujjwala Yojana. It provides free cooking gas to the rural region. And what is this PM Kisan Yojana? It gives income support to the farmers, that is 6,000 per annum. And option C is Saubhagya scheme. What is Saubhagya scheme? This Saubhagya scheme is also called Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana. That means this scheme was launched to provide electricity to households in rural areas. Now option D is Atmanirbhar Bharat. What is Atmanirbhar Bharat? It is making self-reliant. So that is about this, and the correct answer is option A, Ujjwala scheme. It provides free cooking gas to the rural region. Now coming to the sixth question, Rogan painting is found in option A, Arunachal Pradesh, option B, Gujarat, option C, Assam, option D, Tripura. The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Rogan painting is one of the difficult painting. It requires more patience and more skills to do that painting. So this painting is found in Gujarat. Seventh question, Indian National Congress was founded in the year. Option A 1885, option B 1882, option C 1947, option D 1778. The correct answer is option A 1885. Now, eighth question, which of the following are true with regard to Indian National Congress? Option A, Evo Hume was the first president of INC, that is Indian National Congress, and the first meeting was conducted at Pune. Option B, W.C. Banerjee was the first president of Indian National Congress and its meeting was conducted at Pune. Now, option C, W.C. Banerjee was the first president of INC and its meeting was conducted in Bombay. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first president of INC and its meeting was conducted at Lahore. So, which of the statements are correct? Evo Hume is actually the founder of Indian National Congress. So, he is not the first president. W.C. Banerjee is the first president of INC. That is correct. And its first meeting was conducted at Pune. No, the first meeting of INC was conducted in Bombay. Now we'll go to option C. W.C. Banerjee was the first president of INC, yes, and its meeting was conducted in Bombay. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Now, ninth question, who was the father of Indian Renaissance and nationalism? Option A, Lala Lajpat Rai. Option B, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Option D, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Option C, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The correct answer is option B, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He is the father of Indian Renaissance and nationalism. Now coming to the 10th question, who organized the Landholders Society in 1883? Option A, Devendranath Tagore. Option B, Sachidananda Sinha. Option C, W.C. Banerjee. Option D, Surendranath Tagore. The correct answer is Devendranath Tagore organized Landholders Society in 1883. Now, who is this W.C. Banerjee? We have learnt previously. He is the first Indian National Congress president and the first meeting of INC was conducted in Bombay. Now, who is this Surendranath Tagore? He is the first Indian civil servant to be selected. So, okay, the answer for this is option A, that is Devendranath Tagore. Now coming to 11th question, from which state does the landholders came to protect their interests through Landholders Society? So recently we have learned that the founder of Landholders Society is Devendranath Tagore. So from which states they came to protect the interests of Landholders Society? Option A, from Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Option B, Punjab, Rajasthan, Bengal. Option C, Bengal, Assam, Gujarat. Option D, Bengal, Bihar and Assam. The correct answer is Bengal, Bihar and Assam. From Bengal, Bihar and Assam, the landholders came to protect their interests through this Landholders Society. And who is the founder of Landholders Society? He is Devendranath Tagore. Now 12th question, which of the following are correct? Statement number 1, Hindu Patriot was the first Indian paper which was published by British Indian Association. Statement 2, Bengal Society and Landholders Society were merged to form British Indian Association. Statement number 3, Surendranath Banerjee was called the father of nationalist movement in India. Option A, 1 and 2 are correct. Option B, 2 and 3. Option C, 1 and 2. Option D, all the above. Which of the statements are correct? So here, in the statement number 1, Hindu Patriot was the first Indian paper. Yes, it is the first Indian paper and it is published by British Indian Association. This is true. And next, Bengal Society and Landholders Society were merged to form British Indian Society. Yes, this statement number 2 is also correct. Statement number 3, Surendranath Banerjee was called the father of nationalist movement in India. This is also correct. So all the statements are correct and option D is the correct answer. Now 13th question, Indian Association was founded by. Option A, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Lala Lajpat Rai. Option C, Bipin Chandra Pal. Option C, Surendranath Banerjee. So, option D, Surendranath Banerjee is the correct answer, and he is also the first Indian to pass Indian Civil Service examination.